I have an important message to you.
Hey, if you could make that logo just a bit bigger, that would be great. Thanks.
No, wait, that's not it. Maybe let's try this.
Welcome to Design Decisions That Don't Fucking Matter.
Okay, 3 times the charm. Welcome to 2.0 version of this channel. 2.0, you say, so what's different about it? Well, let me show you, but for dramatic effect, let's do it this way. When I started this channel in 2020, it looked a little bit like this. Hey, my name is Michal Malewicz and I'm a designer. And sure, it gradually improved over time, but running an agency and multiple side businesses and side projects at the same time and doing those 12-hour-long video edits, well, all that pushed me sometimes to choose a faster route, not necessarily one that, as a perfectionist, I would be completely proud of. Because this amazing community has grown so much during that time, I decided to push this channel to the next level. I'm in the process of expanding our team here, so that's gonna allow me to focus on my parts a little bit more and don't waste a lot of time on things that somebody else can simply do better. The future of the design industry is quite interesting, with changes coming from both design tool acquisitions, artificial intelligence, massive layoffs, and changes to the ways that we as designers work. So in this second season of Malewicz, my goal is going to help you get ahead of the curve, be an important part of this industry, grow your skills together with me, and basically do everything in my power, so in the end you're gonna have a beautiful day.
Excellent.
Are you with me on this? Let me know in the comments down below, and welcome to Malewicz 2.0. I really appreciate you being here. This channel is made by humans for humans. Thank you for the support.